Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at one of the most popular and trusted tractors in India, the Mahindra 265D. Known for its durability, power, and reliability, this tractor is a favorite among farmers and tractor enthusiasts alike. The Mahindra 265D is equipped with a 3-cylinder, 2048cc diesel engine that delivers 30 horsepower. It's built for a variety of agricultural tasks like plowing, tilling, sowing, and even hauling. Its strong engine provides excellent fuel efficiency, which is a big advantage for farmers who want performance without high running costs. One of the key features of this tractor is its 8 forward and 2 reverse gear system, which gives better control and versatility in different types of field conditions. The maximum forward speed is around 28.2 km per hour, while reverse speed goes up to 12.3 km per hour, allowing smooth operation even in tight spaces. The Mahindra 265D comes with a powerful hydraulics system with a lifting capacity of 1200 kg. This means it can easily handle various implements like cultivators, plows, and trailers. The PTO power takeoff is standard type with 540 RPM, making it compatible with most farming equipment. In terms of design, the tractor has a classic Mahindra look, strong, simple, and functional. It has a comfortable driver's seat, good ground clearance of 345 mm, and a wheelbase of 1830 mm which offers better stability. It also has dry disc brakes or oil-immersed brakes, depending on the variant, for better safety and control. This tractor is also known for its low maintenance cost and long engine life. Spare parts are easily available across India and service centers are widely spread, making it easy for farmers to keep it running without hassle. Overall, the Mahindra 265D is a complete package for small to medium farmers. Whether you're using it for farming, transport, or other rural tasks, this tractor delivers value for money and consistent performance. If you've ever used the Mahindra 265D or are planning to buy one, tell us your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates on tractors and farm machinery.